Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can easily fix the 400 bad request error in your Chrome browser. So for that, let's go quick into the process. So you have to open your Chrome browser. Simply search for that in the Windows search bar. Click on under the best match. You have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Then you have to scroll down and you'll find site settings, controls what information sites can use and show, including location, camera, pop-ups, and more. Click on that. Then here you'll find under additional permissions, precisely for the content, you'll find third-party cookies. So it could be cookies and other site data in your Chrome browser. Well, it's just the same. Click on that. Scroll down a bit and you'll find see all site data and permissions. You have to click on this arrow, and here you just have to simply search for the website as to where you have encountered the error code 400. Let's say for example from YouTube. So simply search for YouTube and then click on this delete icon. Click on delete. Or you can just simply close this search bar and then click on this delete all data. Then click on the delete option. After that, you have to close your Chrome browser and then open it again, and that 400 error code in your Chrome browser will be fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.